How to turn on biometric login on First Ontario. Hey everyone, today we'll go through a quick guide on setting up your biometric login with First Ontario mobile app. First thing you have to do is download the application from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have your mobile application or mobile banking app downloaded to your device, you need to log in using your member's number or personal access code. Next, you have to go to your settings or security preference section inside the app and look for the option labeled biometric login, which may also say Face ID on iPhones or Fingerprint or Touch ID on Android devices. Then on the login screen, you can select the option to remember me to save your login profile. And then from the setup, you can just confirm your biometric, whether you want a Face ID or a fingerprint sensor. And after doing so, to verify, you need to enter your personal access code and confirm it. Once confirmed, biometric logins will be activated, and from now, instead of typing your PAC every time, you can log in quickly and securely with your Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint recognition. And if you ever want to disable this feature, you can simply return to the same settings, biometric, and switch it off. That's it. You've successfully enabled biometric login on First Ontario app. Don't forget to like, share, and tap on the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.